Hello everyone, I'm just heading back from the Pinball Hall of Fame, taking a wee walk down here, and I'm on the main strip. Just got to see, there's a wee shop down here that I saw on the way down that was selling free t-shirts for $12. I'm not expecting much for that price, but I think I'll give it a shot, see if there's anything there that I like. I was in the Pinball Hall of Fame and they had quite a selection, but there wasn't anything that I really fancied that suited me. But I ended up buying a hat, which I quite like, so got something out of it. Don't normally wear a baseball hat, but I thought I'll just get one. So that was really good. It's nice to get a wee souvenir. So I'm just walking back to the Luxor down the strip, the Mandalay Bay Hotel. I said that in a previous video, it's like something like a Grand Theft Auto. It's brilliant to see. I've not done much in Vegas yet, we only just arrived last night, but so far I really like it. It's big, it's really big. I mean, that's what they say about America, everything's bigger, and I'd have to say that's true. It's a really hot day, it's about 1:30 in the afternoon, and you can see just past the Mandalay Bay there's the Luxor where I'm staying. It's quite a good wee landmark, the obelisk. Oh, it's absolutely scorching. I've been at the Pinball Hall of Fame for about not even 10 minutes, and I can't wait to get back into somewhere. I can just feel the heat. It's a very, very dry heat. But it was worth it. It was worth the walk. It's about a 10-15 minute walk from the Luxor to the Pinball Hall of Fame. Now, my next video, I'm going to go to the Punk Hall of Fame, Punk Rock Hall of Fame. The Punk Rock Museum. Getting mixed up with the Pinball Hall of Fame there. I suppose they're both similar things. So I'm just going to get down here, see what this t-shirt shop's all about, see if I can get myself something.